As technology drives the world forward, the farming and agriculture industry have seen these benefits improve farming every day. As the world gets closer to 9 billion people, precision farming technologies will be a driving factor to feed the world. Next Instruments have developed the next piece of the precision agriculture puzzle with the introduction of CropScan 3000H On Combine Grain Analyser. The CropScan 3000H is a near-infrared grain analyzer that measures protein, moisture, and oil as the grain is harvested in a combine harvester. The data collected from the CropScan 3000H is managed through a cloud-based software system. The CropScan 3000H consists of 3 components: a remote sample head, an NIR spectrometer, and a touchscreen display. A fiber optic cable connects the remote sampling head to the near-infrared spectrometer. The touchscreen display operates and controls the system and displays the results. The remote sampling head is attached to the clean grain elevator of the combine harvester. Grain traveling up the elevator drops into the remote sampling head and is trapped. Light passes through the sample of grain where NIR energy is absorbed by the protein, moisture, and oil in the grains. The outlet flap opens and the grain flows into the downside of the clean grain elevator. A new sample of grain is measured approximately every 8 to 12 seconds. The light energy that passes through the sample is transmitted through a fiber optic cable to the spectrometer box located inside the cab. The NIR spectrometer generates the NIR spectra. The in-cabin touchscreen display shows the real-time protein, moisture, and oil results for grains and oilseeds including wheat, barley, canola, soybeans, and corn as the field is being harvested. The touchscreen PC provides a simple user interface for controlling the system and viewing the results. The viewing options include field data, real-time protein, moisture, and oil readings as the grain is harvested, running averages, field average, grain tank average, and a moving average of the last 5 in-field readings. Field maps, showing real-time protein maps as the grain is harvested in the field. The protein readings from the CropScan 3000H are geo-referenced with the combine's GPS receiver to develop a point-by-point protein map. Line graphs, showing trend plots for protein, moisture, and oil for the harvested field. Grain tank data, showing the tank average of every load collected along with the storage location and weight. Lastly, storage data shows the cumulative weight and moving averages of protein, moisture, and oil of the grain or oil seeds in each storage location. There are 2 ways that farmers may use the CropScan 3000H for a quick return on their investment. In-field blending. The farmer can strip the grain and store it into multiple field bins based on protein. The grain from these bins can then be blended while loading a truck, which then will deliver the grain to the silo. Alternatively, the farmer can selectively reap certain areas of the field while monitoring the protein tank average to ensure the tank meets the desired protein level. On-farm segregation and storage. The farmer can use the data from the CropScan 3000H to manage their on-farm storage based on protein segregation. As the field is harvested, the grain tank average for protein and moisture is recorded in the touchscreen PC, along with an option to enter a weight for each grain tank. The operator can also record into which bin, shed, or bunker the grain is to be stored. The farmer can then direct the trucks to dump the grain into the storage locations, and the running averages are recorded into a cloud storage site. Knowing the protein content of each bin can allow the farmer to blend grain to a desired protein level to meet current market demands or requests from grain marketers. The CropScan 3000H can be fitted to almost any combine harvester. Real-time protein mapping is the missing piece of the precision agriculture puzzle. Combining protein and yield maps allows the farmer to generate other formulated maps, such as nitrogen removal maps, gross margin maps, and diagnostic maps to better monitor crop performance. Based on these maps, the farmer can generate variable rate fertilization prescriptions to increase yield and to get the highest price for their grains based on protein. To find out more about the CropScan 3000H and to download a copy of The Missing Piece of the Precision Agriculture Puzzle, please visit our website at www.nextinstruments.net.